Okay, go ahead.
Once upon a time, there's a little bat, and Corduroy was sick. So he went to the Corduroy doctors, and he felt much better. Wait, I need a toy. This is a good toy.
Okay, keep going with the story, Natalie. What happened next?
Then he got a hat from the doctors and got so much funny, and he was happy. And he got a little toy a pig cell and a mouse from a shoot-cock cell. So he got a game that was called Hungry Hippo Game. So, and the piggy sat on his lap and looked at it like this. What's that? It said. And
what was it,
and
Natalie?
it bounced up and down. And you know what? Who was that? Blue's Clues.
Really?
He thought it was the pet store.
So what happened next?
So then he went home, Corduroy, and said, Lisa, I went to the doctor's all by myself. So, and then he said, are you tall enough? And Lisa said, yes, I am. So, and Corduroy said, ow. That's what Corduroy said.
Really?
Yeah. So, then he bounced the piggy up and down, up and down, up and down. Then he took it off his hat and looked at each other. Bounce, bounce, all day long on the piggy's handy. Bounce, bounce on my knees, Lizzie in the bully, Lily in the cozy geese, in the museum. Clap your handsies, hey, hey, clap your feet together.
Clap your feet.
Hey, and the Lily in the cozy and clap your hands and clap your feet. Clap. Yeah, like this.
So, is that the end of the story, Natalie, or does more happen?
I sing a song and more happened. So then he went to bed and slept, and the next morning he had Hanukkah.
Oh, Hanukkah, okay.
Then Lisa's dad came home, and Lisa's mom came home. So they said, "What is this?" And Corduroy said, "It's a little pig and a mouse from Mashutka. It's a mouse for Mashutka, and it's a piggy for me because that's what I got from the doctors." And they said, "Oh." Oh, that's what happened? So, the piggy bounced up and down on his knees and twist around and twist around and twist around and twist around. And then it bounced up and down, bounce up and down. And then his hat fell.